Here we go, Tuesday morning. That sun's coming up over Lake Michigan. We got the start of a new day. Time to get rolling. Here's what happened overnight. Reserve Bank of Australia, they met in the late night hours, early morning hours, I guess it would be here in the US. They have decided to stick with their plan to begin tapering their bond buying program. Less worried about the Delta variant of COVID than what we've seen in some other areas. As a result, that Aussie dollar trading just shy of spot 74, traded above spot 74 briefly last night. We've since come off those highs, trading just shy of spot 74. That's about a 0.5% move. So a lot of action in the Aussie dollar. As a result of that, we're seeing weakness in the dollar across the board this morning. Euro dollar trading higher, and a British pound sterling trading higher. Now, we've still got some big central bank meetings the remainder of the week, so some more potential volatility on the horizon. We've got a big jobs report. It is jobs report week here in the US. That's coming out on Friday morning, so be ready for that. Another week full of earnings. Right now, heading into the open, we've got the stock market trading higher. Dow Jones recovering some of the losses that we saw yesterday. Also got bond yields moving higher. So I think for the foreseeable future, at least for the next few weeks here, until we get a grapple on this Delta variant, going to see a lot of reactive moves as more and more data comes out. So be prepared for that. All right, folks, let's get ready. Let's go get some today. I'll see you tomorrow.